Hi, this is Roger with Wet Irrigation. Today I'm showing you a Toro Vision Timer that has a problem with the seasonal adjust. Now what the seasonal adjust is supposed to do, when you set it, it's supposed to be at 100%. Let me focus in there. So when it's focused, you got 100%, but it's actually reading 20%. There we go. Alright, so I'm at 100% on the dial. I'm only reading 20, so if I go up slowly, it's slowly going up and then it passes my 100 right to 200. So this timer is never going to actually water properly. So what it's going to do at 200%, it's actually going to go through its 3 zones and then go through its 3 zones again to match it by 200%. Unless I took the seasonal adjust down to 60 or 30, and then I'd have to move the times up because now it's watering 80%. So this timer should get updated to a new Pro C timer or Wi-Fi timer. That way it's automatically does it for you. Thank you for watching.